you guys. So I wanted to do a quick video on how to use this ring mandrel because you can use it in so many different ways. It's not just for rings, but it's for other things. Oh my God, I'm a rapper now. I got bars. You guys, this is Angela of Earrings by Angela. Thank you for being goofy with me. So this is a ring mandrel. This is a plastic one, but they also come in metal, okay? So when we're making our rings, depending on the type of ring we're making. So if I'm just making, let's say an example would be a regular ring like this, right? The regular simple ring. Then if I'm a size 7, I would actually start at an 8. And the reason is because once you start pulling the wire that shapes the ring, it's actually going to go to the size that you need it because you're pulling it tighter. The wire is getting smaller, and that's how you use that. Now, you can start your ring on this side, right? And then flip it over to this side where maybe you want the bead to be held in place here. Okay, so you have two choices. I like to put mine on top because I'm nosy. I want to see if it's moving closer to the size that I need it to be. So after you do that, then you can always slide the ring back on. Bam. Okay, so now we know that this is a size 6. Right? That's size 6 ring. Pretty awesome. And so another way to use the ring mandrel, and that's another thing too, like if you buy or you are gifted a ring and you're not sure what size it is, this will also help you with that. You know, just slide on, be like, oh, okay, it's a size 8 or a size 9. I can work with that. So let's say that you're working on an adjustable ring. Then you can actually just put it to the side. So I'm a size 6. That's my wedding finger. Who finna marry me, y'all? Because it's empty. I'm just kidding, y'all. I mean, I'm not married, but I'm just saying. Don't y'all send me no, suggestions. I'm not dating right now. Okay, let's get back to the lesson. So I wear a size 6. If I'm making an adjustable ring, I can make it at a size 6. Okay. And then I know that however I make the ring, it will either adjust to a 5 or a 7, and maybe it can go a little bigger, a little bit smaller. But it gives you some wiggle room. Wiggle, 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 tickle, tickle, tickle. I gotta stop this. It's crazy. So that's how you use that. But remember I said it's not just for making rings. So let's say I'm just going to grab a scrap piece of wire, and this is why you should keep scraps around. Say like if I want to make a U shape or something like this, right? Or a teardrop. So I'll just bend the wire and cross it in the back like this. And now I have my shape, right? If I want to make some earrings or something. And then I can just hold it here. Yep. Sorry, you guys. I make my own soundtracks. Well, this is so thin, I don't really need the thing. But you can twist the... Let me get the... Yeah. You can twist the wire like this around. Now, I guess it's not a scrap anymore. I just used it. That's not what I intended to use it for. But this is great. Anyway. This is a 24 gauge wire. Make thin hoops and then just bend that over and make your little loop. See? So now I can wear it like, put a ear thing on here and just wear it like this, plain Jane. It's all great. Or I can do, there's so many possibilities, but that's a whole nother video, y'all. But I just want, I was about to go there. But I just wanted to show you that you can use the ring mandrel for that if you're trying to make hoops or links, whatever you're doing. You can also use this because, you know, it has a gradual build. So if you want to make smaller hoops, you go down here bigger hoops, you go up here. And, or if you want to make, you see how it's this nice texture shape. If you want to make, you know, rings with a different shape, that'd be awesome too. So you guys, there are so many uses for many of the tools that are with our jewelry, and all we have to do is use our imaginations. Okay, so I hope that really inspired you, helped you out. If it did, please like this video, share it with another creative, invite them to join our EBA family, and make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I cannot talk today, y'all. Please forgive me. I am forgiven. It's a wonderful day. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone.